Hello everyone, as you can see in my browser, here is a basic calculator, and I already made, and it's a demo and doing some operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. 4 plus 8 equals to 12. Clear this. 3 minus 8 means minus 5, and 6 multiplied by 4 for 24. Let me clear. Okay, I'm just explaining the coding part. I already opened VS Code and made the file name .html and file name .css. Okay, I'm just doing drag and drop and explaining everything. And the body, Control V. So here is the H1 heading 1 basic calculator, and the form ID, my form name calc, input display, and just write the CSS support here. Style width is this much, height is, text align center, background color is this color, and input type value 0. On click means calc.display value plus equals 0, and this is displaying the value that we are putting here, 0. Okay, and here's 1 like this, and the same, and but here is, as you can see, there is no plus. It means it should be clear, and there is no value for the C means clear, and the other values 3, 4, 5 are the same, and equals also. There is function eval calc.display.value. it's showing the display. Okay, and the down part as the same as the above, and here is plus value is plus. On click this calc.display value as same values, and here is also the same multiplication, and the minus means subtraction. So, and the C part, Control C, and here is Control V. Okay, I'm here is doing just put the code, and you need only means copy and paste. If you create this part and this doing a lot of means 0 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 means it is the same, but you should care about teeny tiny things in your code. Okay, Control S and CSS, input the height, the weight, font size, border, radius, margin, background color, and border style. And do one thing, play and change the value as you want and the color, and you will notice the difference. So my form, the margin left this much, and margin type this much, and the H1. So simply Control S, and okay, I'm going here, and by the way, I'm also closing this one. And the good thing about the VS Code, if you wanna do coding live, here's the option open with live server, and so opening live server, if you do any change here, it will automatically save, and there is no need of refresh. It will be automatically fix, adjust. Okay, as you can see, all the operators means now fix, and I'm trying 4 plus 4 equals 8, correct? 5 minus 3, 2, okay. 1 multiplied by 8, it's almost 8. Okay, I'm doing 7 multiplied by 4, and it's 28, correct? And the last one, 3 divided by 6. Here is 0.5.